Welcome to our video on the benefits and drawbacks of genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the technology behind GMOs, the ways in which they are currently being used, and the potential benefits and drawbacks of this technology. First, let's define what GMOs are. GMOs are organisms that have had their genetic makeup altered through genetic engineering. This can include plants, animals, and microorganisms. Genetic engineering is the process of making specific changes to the DNA of an organism. This can be done to improve the organism's characteristics, such as making it more resistant to pests or more nutritious. One of the main benefits of GMOs is that they can improve crop yields and increase food production. This is especially important in regions where food security is a major concern. GMOs can also help to reduce the use of pesticides and herbicides, as they can be engineered to be resistant to pests and weeds. Another benefit of GMOs is that they can be used to produce medicines and vaccines. For example, certain bacteria have been genetically modified to produce human insulin for those with diabetes. GMOs can also be used to produce biofuels, which can help to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. However, there are also some drawbacks to GMOs. One concern is that they can have unintended consequences on the environment. For example, if a pest-resistant crop is introduced, it could lead to the evolution of new pest strains that are resistant to the crop. There are also concerns about the potential for GMOs to crossbreed with wild relatives, creating new, potentially invasive, species. Another concern is that GMOs can lead to the loss of biodiversity. This can happen if GMO crops are grown on large scales, replacing traditional crops and the wild relatives that they depend on. Finally, there are also concerns about the impact of GMOs on human health. While there is currently no scientific evidence to suggest that GMOs are harmful to human health, there is still ongoing research in this area. In conclusion, GMOs have the potential to bring many benefits, such as improving crop yields, reducing the use of pesticides, and producing medicines and vaccines. However, there are also potential drawbacks, such as unintended environmental consequences, loss of biodiversity, and potential health risks. It's important to conduct ongoing research and monitoring to understand the full impact of GMOs and to ensure that they are used in a responsible and sustainable way. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more videos on the latest in science and technology. We'll keep you updated on the latest research and developments in